and you should eat fruits, and also you should eat vegetables. I mean, you should eat fruits, orange, apple, grapes, and if you want to be strong, you should drink water. Yes. Also, water is all the living things need water, food, and air. What's it mean? Breathe. Yes, they should breathe your breath. Breathe your breath. They need air, food, and vomit. Yes, they should breathe it. Mustafa? Also, life is a living thing. Let's continue.
That reminds me.
And now, look.
Thank you. You see, food gives us energy. Different living things get energy in different ways.
Look. We are getting energy by eating. When you eat something, you will get energy. Yes. How about? Flour? How can they get energy? They can eat apple? No. They can eat apple? No. They can drink water?
Yes.
But different way. Yes. I am giving them water. Yes. They have something and they get. We are different way. How about, do you know the lion?